Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Trinity, and today I am bringing you 3 homemade meals using my homemade Dijon mustard that I made. This is kind of like a sweet Dijon mustard. I made it from the marinade of my Cowboy candy that I make. That's like the leftover juice that I have from that. And so I call it my Cowboy candy Dijon mustard. It's kind of like a sweet honey mustard, basically. Every time I can something, I'm trying to make a sequel video on at least three ways to use it up. And I really enjoy making this, and I've really enjoyed using it. Now, my husband doesn't love mustard, so everything I did had minimal amount of mustard just to try to like hide it in things. But I really enjoyed what I did make, and you could taste the mustard for sure, but it was just kind of minimal, and he loved everything I made, so that was a good sign. So I'm excited to bring you guys these 3 pantry meals, and I hope you enjoy this video. So for this first meal, I am making pretzels with beer cheese. I had been wanting to make this for a really long time, and I found some pretzel recipe and a beer cheese recipe online that I really liked. I'm not a big beer person, but I do like beer cheese. But a lot of the recipes that I've seen call for quite a bit of beer cheese, and I used less. So I will link both recipes for the pretzels and the beer cheese. And of course we used our homemade Dijon Cowboy candy Dijon mustard. And I used 2 different kind of cheeses in this recipe. I'll put right here on the screen what the cheeses were because I can't remember at the moment. And we had that with bratwurst and some leftover broccoli that we had. So that was dinner that night. For this second meal, you can probably see that I'm making a potato salad, and I made a garlic aioli to go over it, and then just adding some seasonings, and of course my homemade Cowboy candy Dijon mustard. I really enjoyed this potato salad. It's been a long time since I've made a potato salad, and that garlic aioli just made it that much better. Okay, and for this last meal, I am making some fried chicken. And for the base, I'm doing my homemade Cowboy candy Dijon mustard with some Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just going to be making a breading here with my some homemade breadcrumbs. And I like to use tapioca starch. I find that gives fried chicken the best outer crisp for the breading, and it doesn't like fall apart on you like a flour would. So I just added some seasonings, and I dipped my chicken in that mustard Worcestershire sauce, and then of course dipped it in my breading, and I just fried it up. And this meal was probably my favorite meal out of all of them, and I'll definitely be making this again. So I served this fried chicken with some mashed potatoes and some vegetables on the side. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will give this Cowboy candy Dijon mustard a try. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.